Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this beautiful manicure using dip powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Dip UK. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Rose Plum, and this is a very dark plum burgundy color. Next is in the shade Black Tiger, and this is a mix of chunky glitters. And for the liquids, again, I will be using my Dip UK base as well as the Activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next I move on to my base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. So I will be applying the shade Rose Plum on my ring, pinky, and thumb. And also, I just want to mention that I do have a discount code on Dip UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount of your total purchase. All the information will be in the description box, so you can check it out. So then once I'm finished with my Rose Plum, I brush off all the excess powder, and then I move on to the next shade, which is the Black Tiger. So I will be applying this shade on my pointy and middle nail. So instead of dipping my nails, as you can see, I transfer the chunky glitters on a small tray. And what I do is just place all the chunky glitters randomly on my nails. But of course, you can always do the dipping method, but I thought that the glitters are very chunky, so this method is probably better. So I did 2 coats of these chunky glitters. And then I just repeat the same step on my middle nail. So once I'm finished with the chunky glitters, I move on to my clear powder. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then top off the excess. This step is optional if you only have a solid color, but with the chunky glitters, it's very important that you clear encapsulate it because it will protect your chunky glitters from piling. So with my pointy and middle nail, I did 2 coats of clear just because I want to build up the thickness of my nails, and also I just want to make sure that my chunky glitters are really protected from piling and buffing. So then once I'm finished with the clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I spray a generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat, and I apply 2 coats of this and cure it for 30 seconds. This step is optional. You can always use your dip powder top coat if you want to. So then once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, all the products that I used today will be in the description box so you can check it out, and I'll see you again next time.